Hello, my name is Ben Moisan, and today I'm going to show you how to make your very own homemade scampi. In my opinion, scampi is one of the most elite things that you can get from a fish and chip shop, just behind chicken nuggets. So, to begin with, I'm going to show you how to make the crispy, crunchy scampi batter. Let's get into this. In a large mixing bowl here, I have 150 grams of plain flour, and to that, I'm going to add some other ingredients. 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, a pinch of salt, and 250 milliliters of sparkling water. Oh, you can hear that fizz. And now we're just going to whisk that all together. Damn, bro! Yeah, I'm a Fortnite gamer. Okay, now we're going to fill a high-sided pot with some frying oil, and we're just going to heat that up. You want enough oil to be able to cover the prawns. And we're just going to heat that on a high heat. Okay, so to check if the oil is ready, what you can do is you can stick a chopstick in, and if bubbles form around the wooden chopstick, then the oil is good to go. So it's time to fry our prawns. So we've got about 500 grams of king prawns here. It's about 40 king prawns. We're going to take them, dunk them in our batter, coat them, nice, shake off the excess, and then gently place them into our oil, like so. Once golden and crispy, remove the prawn from the oil using a holy spoon. Place the prawns on a sheet of kitchen towel to dry and keep them warm whilst you fry the rest of the prawns. Don't try to fry all the prawns in one go. You'll have to fry them in batches, otherwise you won't end up with such crispy results. Whilst the prawns are still hot, season them with a little salt. Serve the scampi with chips, peas, and of course, sauce. Oh yeah, let's go. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.